Hey, what's up guys, and this is the vivo V30 5G. This model is the standard unit from the recently released V series of smartphones. It's a stylish and slim phone and frames a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED display. The phone packs a dual 50MP rear camera and supports the new portrait system with Light 3.0. I'll tell you more about its features and gaming capabilities later on, but for now, here's the unboxing. Going back, this is the vivo V30 5G in Petals White colorway. It is a slim smartphone with 7.45mm thickness. In fact, it's the slimmest smartphone that packs 5000 mAh battery capacity. At the back, we have a dual 50MP sensor with VCS technology. Flipping it over, we have another 50MP sensor for the selfie camera. The vivo V30 5G is a multimedia powerhouse despite only having one speaker. It has a stunning curved display which supports HDR playback and 120Hz refresh rate. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 is fairly a new and efficient chipset. It is coupled by up to 12 gigs of RAM with virtual RAM expansion of up to 12 gigs. In our Genshin Impact gaming test, the phone has a medium graphics quality overall. I generally have a smooth gaming session with almost zero frame drops. Playing Mobile Legends Bang Bang is also a breeze with this smartphone. The phone defaults to high refresh rate and ultra graphic settings, which I actually like. Mobile Legends gameplay is also smooth overall. The vivo V30 5G is also a great streaming companion. Its display is stunning with punchy colors and great contrast. The viewing angles are also quite generous. Its unique feature is the Light 3.0, which is technically a mobile ring light. However, this is a smart one because it can easily adjust its brightness and color temperature depending on the ambient light. That's it for now for the vivo V30 5G. Check out our blog for a more detailed review. If you like this unboxing and first look video, please hit like and subscribe.